Hi guys, it's Spike Torture Fan. Today we're going to be reviewing the Yokai watch from Season 1. So yeah, it fits pretty nicely on my wrist, as you can see. And these are the tokens that you can collect. I got a couple of the blind bags. And we have a few from different things, because as you can see there's like these little sculpt marks. They'll tell you what they're from. Because I think one's brave and one's tough, and then we have like Slytherin, which is like this one, and this is Whisper, because I have a clan. Then we have Mysterious. We have 3 from Mysterious. So yeah. So yeah, that is those are all the coins I have. I have Jabanion with Whisper over there, of course, and there's a few others. I can't name them all off, but we have Hun Gramps, and this is one of those, one of the dancing trio. So like, I'll show you that. You put them in like right here. So yeah, I'm gonna try doing that. It's gonna be hard because you won't be able to see me putting it in unless I do it like this. Oh yeah, and if you don't do it the right way, that guy will say, I don't know why. For some reason. So, like, sorry about that. Let's try it this time.
The Dancing Trio! 10 out of 10!
Yeah, step up. And he's like, artful. So this, I think, is
Summoning Charming! Pretty busy right now.
so yeah, that's each of them. That's what some of them do from, like, they play different ones from Charming. This is what happens when you put Whisper, when you try to summon Whisper.
What's up, my corporeal friend? I am Whisper, at your service.
So yeah, that's all they do, and then of course you can hold this button, and it'll do that. Oh, sorry, something glitched on me, but yeah, that's the thing, and then if you push it again.
What's up, my corporeal friend? I am Whisper, at your service.
So yeah, that's which each of them do. I'll probably be doing more unboxing of these once I get more of these bags, and we'll see how many, because I believe there's 44 to collect in the Series 1 collection of the gray coins. So yeah, we'll see those, and maybe in newer videos I'll review them, and we'll see how many we get of doubles, maybe. But yeah, because I have a feeling that sometimes you may get doubles. So yeah, that's the Yokai Watch review. I hope you enjoyed it, and yeah, pretty awesome thing to have, and yeah. So yeah, more videos soon, and I hope you guys have a great day. Bye bye.